So this is another duplex suite here at the Hotel Granados 88. And we're going to start in here this time with the bathroom. Look at this. Luxury white company soaps, bidet, you know, standard box, loads of towels. Got a bit of artwork in the toilet, in the shower, which is interesting. We've got a free jet shower, which is going to be interesting to get ready in the morning. We've got a big wardrobe space in here. You can actually see it this time because obviously in my last video I couldn't be able to see it. And then the AC is just hidden behind here. And this is our bed. It's very comfy, our bed actually. And obviously just been to our quartet, just get some nibbles for the room. This is, oh gosh. If I can get out, there we go. One of our two balconies. It's really good for having a nice relax in the night. Mission impossible to close that door. Another view of the bed. But let's go upstairs. I'll show you something upstairs. Probably thinking, where's the TV? Well, this is our little living area. And then the best bit is through this. This is our little semi-private pool. Dip your toes in. And there's like a bridge you can climb across as well. Which is amazing. And then we've got our little Hootity friend just looking at us at the pool. I call him Hooters. And there you go, guys, that is the brand, our new room at the Grand Hotel Granados 86 Duplex Type 2.